First of all, I'm a big fan of Tuki. All that take-if stuff, man's not in a that.
So look at you, you're supporting production. Other outside Gambia to go individual and different Gambians in your gender.
And you know, as entrepreneurs, we are always thinking about improving our products, the existing ones, and also creating new ones. So she then began to consider how she could make a product out of potatoes. Millets have been a cherished crop all over the world, especially in Africa. And the biggest producers of it are India, Niger, and China. In 2021 alone, India produced up to 18 million tons of millet. However, the prominence of it as a food staple is slowly declining, and now more than half of global millet productions are being used differently. Both old and new companies around the world are using it to make different products. And when it comes to Gambia, our agripreneurs are also doing the same thing, but on a way smaller scale and differently, because they lack sophisticated machines and sufficient resources, so they make do with what they have, their hands. This is Neneh. She manufactures locally made food products like koos, chakri, arrow, and the like, and she recently launched a new product in the market which, according to her, has never been produced in the Gambia, as she is the first Gambian to create such a product. And as a result, Gambia's national television GRTS invited her to speak about it, which we'll also later discuss in this video. So if you are new here, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. When Neneh graduated from high school, she worked as a part-time makeup artist at home and made arrow for people on the side. This went on for a while until her sister realized that this could be a viable business opportunity. She told Neneh about it and she agreed right away. The next day, she went to the Serekunda market with the last $245 she had, bought a small amount of millet, a Ziploc bag, printed her details on paper and made her first package. She then took pictures of it and posted on her WhatsApp status and shared it with her friends. And boom, she was in business. But at first, it was slow, and this is what she did next.
So sila nyo mahelat. Dama helat biyan TikTok may Gambia ko kala contact kung postan ma ko mu charge ma halis beresa. Mani di mom nena mu ko fay. So sila talk may helat suma helal wa wasan Gambia. Sila na message mo na message ma explain al mo fa de ñu am bon problem. So bima ko postale sila gis client di du ñew way client tam mu ñewé affaire ci strong non.
She discovered a flaw in her packaging and worked so hard to correct it. She gained international clients after changing the packaging and sending it to What's on Gambia to post it on their page. And now, 75% of her clients are Gambians in abroad.
75% be outside Gambia la neka. Comme ni dañu jëna involve dem jaat ko wala gaay use ko. Comme ni fi ñu ko dé jëna barawut fi comme tabi wër koor bi la jigéen yi dégg na jëna da ngay gis comme ñu wara dem liggéey office ñu wacc ba 3 or 4 so du mëna am time bi pour wara raxastu ko afaw ko tonka ko da fay nité gaay trop time bobu no gaay dé jëna ci bu baax sax après ku gaay mën ko use ko wër koor bi après wër koor tamit dañ ñëw ben way wër koor bu la dégg na jaay ci Gambia bi ay wara wër koor outside Gambia.
She started this business with arrow, which was her first product line, and later added chakri and koos. But these are not new to people. And you know, as entrepreneurs, we are always thinking about improving our products, the existing ones, and also creating new ones. So she then began to consider how she could make a product out of potatoes.
So I'm going to wait for you type of may cere séré bo ñep xamné ko ak cere mbo xawé waye cere patate bi man may fess gamen ko xamantene use na patate dafa ray ko cere idée bi mu fa ñëwé comme touré ci sel ko marché Serekunda dama gis patate jigéen yo jaay du gaaw cer nga patate ñu ci xam moy bahal fry wala bahal ñu fry ko right après ñu bahal ko so dama after at the end of the day so de marché patate de ñu am bona yoy nonu patate dal di yaxu losses before ñu fa nek ci setti ko de jaay du ko fa fekk ko jëne nako ci femme bo paré so ma gis lo patate yahu ya na ci helade mëna patate pourtant suma ci helate dara mëna ci dafa lo xamantene mëna ko sé fay lo nga period so ci la nek ma def sama research bi ma ko asla ñoo bena bes ma suma wakene tay patate bi amna dum ko bëgg na fané ñu commencé ré alen ma jëna patate just ala dara la jëno ci marché bi woni holé dara ci mo ñu ma liggéey ci and then ma mo se liggéey ba pare ma defar affaire ci ma suusal ko su ma kër ñoo bi amat itine bi ko lekk xam ni lan la after mo noppi rek asla uti suma sow ma sotti ci plate bi may lekk man ba xam ko jënditi bay ma test ko jëga mo xool mu mel mu commencé lekk suma beena oncle mo tam ñëw toog lekk ko mu dafa neex gaay ñëw nak ci lañ lekk affaire ci yëpp jee so si la delu suma se mo jël sama even si suma saake patate ma asi ko fi ma liggéey ko ma weer ko and then ma sila ko defare cere mo ko defare cere ma def ko si ziploc bag bi ma nataal ko sen ko nit yi yow cere patate musim ko dega cere patate musim ko dega da ngay gis nit yi sax su lewe su bute jëna dañoo dem kumpa pour xam loolu naka la wara mel so gay affaire si non commencé dem ti jëna si nit di ko jëna tan ti ñu ko jëna trop sax.
Gambia is not an easy place to do business, especially if you are a small business owner. For big businesses, they can afford to go outside and buy in bulk what they need. But as a small business owner, you will most likely need products here urgently and you won't find them in local markets. I had this problem in my business. In fact, I still do, and I'm sure you do as well if you are a small business owner. Neneh had the same problem with her product packaging, and she ended up purchasing them from Senegal because she couldn't find them here. Young Gambians are increasingly producing skincare goods, processed foods, fashion items and so on, but product packaging is always an issue in this country. So if you are out there thinking about the next business idea, you might as well look into product packaging.
Comme ni challenges mo lay face business bari na raw mo da ngay gis comme ni supermarket ci araw bi ko order from Senegal diko jaay fi ci Gambia bi comme ni dem na benn supermarket fi ma won sama product na no already ñu amé su jeexé na la contact. So benen bes ma bugara xam man product ñu jaay so sila dem supermarket bi ma ekat package bi ma read ko bu ko read am na ni Senegal la because free product bi ne xamé nako so supermarket ci bu ñu supporting product ci yo order araw outside Gambia diko indi ko jaay te seen Gambians ñoo ko jënda comme ni yeneen challenges ñu fi né face comme machine yi ren seer ba amna machine yo xamantene mu nga ko use fika lu ko mëna wër ci naaj bi machine da dafa seer trop sax bu amna benn machine boobu noonu su ko amee comme ne si bés bi mun nga see liggéey like half saako sax waaye fu mu nekk nii comme fu nga defaree ko nakam doos naaj bi système te mun na am génna erreur de génna so mun na am sometimes tam mu taw daa ngi tawee soo amee araw moo dafa gaaw a yàqu trop comme ni caakiri cere boobu mën naa si amutee sax mun naa waaye araw bi dafay gaaw a yàqu trop comme su nekkee ne saako dugub lay defal ko araw bi boo man keneen mu ko because liggéey bi dafa metti so dama di employé ñaari jigéen ma fay like in week wala ma fay like in one day time comme suma liggéey comme ni araw bi moom mun naa xam neex naa defar sax araw bi soo mun naa defar deuxième day bi nga araw ko deuxième day bi comme ni watam su nekkee ne dangay war sa dugub bi mu ngi ko freeze nga xam ba tay boo amee time rek nga araw ko ndànk waaye caakiri bi moo gën a metti bi ko caakiri boo warta faro deuxième day ngay def liggéey bi yëpp deuxième day nga ko raxas boo su ma la defal caakiri moo jug 7 o'clock ma raxas suma dugub bi balaa nayen pare na and then after ma wool ko mu ñëw mooñ ko ma suusal ko moo liggéey bi deuxième day nga ko def waaye araw bi moom liggéey bi neex na process bi mën na maa jël 3 days su ma ko defee si packaging bi mën naa dem 1 year dara du ko dal ma fi ga woof na parce que dama ko weer in 3 days laa ko weer parce que ma paree si guddi si laa ko sol dafa si packaging bi boobu mën naa dem ba at dara du ko jot.
One thing to take away from this video is, first of all, I'm a big fan of Tuki. All that take-a-fee stuff, man, it's not in a that. But while you are here, as far as you are in Gambia, you may as well give it your all and work so hard to create the Gambia that we all want. Because when you look at it, the world at large is made of continents, and continents are made of countries, and countries are made of regions, and regions are made of towns and communities are made of families, and families are made of individuals. So if we all make it a priority to improve ourselves and improve our lives without harming anyone, we will improve the nation, whether we know it or not. As we all know, there there are many sectors and things going wrong in this country, and most of which, as individuals, we cannot change. But what we can change or improve is ourselves. Instead of looking at what other people are doing wrong, focus on what you can do right. Like Neneh here, her business is a very small one that only helps a few people and earns approximately $10,000 per month, which is not bad considering that many big businesses in this country started small. One thing to note from this video is make proper use of the things that Gambia has in abundance. We have mangoes, cashews, tomatoes, and so on. So ask yourself, what can I make out of the widely accessible things in this country? And if you want, don't even target Gambians that live in the country. Target Gambians that live in other countries. Solve some of their basic problems, their wants and needs, and you'll be making money in no time. That concludes today's video. As always, I'll leave Neneh's contact information and social media handles in the description box if you want to support her business. And if you find this video useful, please share it and subscribe to the channel. Peace.